Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to create Telegram account in 2025. The latest version of Telegram, you can download it from Google Play Store. So as I have already made my Telegram account, I can't just show it in here. So I will show you the steps that if you follow, you can just make your own Telegram account. So let's head over to it. So the first one is here. You have to just download your Telegram app from Play Store and then just tap on it. And here you will find the option of start messaging. After opening the Telegram app, you have to click on the start messaging button and start making an account on Telegram. And now you have to select your country name and provide your mobile number so that you can log in through a call. After providing your country name and mobile number, click on the arrow to move towards the next step. Make sure you have put the working mobile number that is currently on work. And the fourth step is after entering your number, wait for a call, and that will be just a missed call to confirm your number. And allow enter your first and last name in the box will display it on your Telegram profile, and click on the arrow button to move towards the next step. And now your Telegram has been created. Now you can perform many actions such as voice and video calls and text messages and so on. So this is the way with which you can just create your own Telegram account. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.